Hello students, welcome to your and our beautiful channel Maths Nation. Today in my last class we have already discussed about the introduction to exponents. Today we go thorough about the exponents. Just recall what is exponent. Suppose a by b to the power n, where a by b is any rational number. A upon b is a rational number and n is any positive integer. N is any positive integer. Then a upon b to the power n. What do you mean by this? Means a by b into a by b into a by b into up to n times. This means a into a into a into a n times upon b into b into b n times, which means a to the power n upon b to the power n. Then what is conclusion? A upon b to the power n is equal to a to the power n b to the power n. Take an example for clarification. 3 upon 4 to the power 3. This means 3 to the power 3 upon 4 to the power 3. What is 3 to the power 3? 27 upon 64. Clear? Then take another example. Suppose minus 3 upon 4 to the power 4, where minus 3 upon 4 is a rational number and 4 is exponents. Then according to law, a upon b to the power n. What is this? This is a to the power n upon b to the power n. Here minus 3 to the power 4 upon 4 to the power 4. Another rule I have already told you in my last class. Minus a to the power n is equal to minus a to the power n, where n is odd number. This is a to the power n where n is even. Here the exponents is even, hence we get the result in positive exponent, in positive term. This is 3 to the power 4 upon 4 to the power 4. What do you mean by 3 to the power 4? This is 81 upon 256. Take another example. Minus 2 upon 3 to the power 5. Then what is? This is minus 2 to the power 5 upon 3 to the power 5. Here the exponent is odd or even? Here the exponent is odd. Hence this is minus 2 to the power 5 upon 3 to the power 5. What is 2 to the power 5? This is minus 32 upon 243. As the exponent is an odd number, then we get the answer in negative. When the base is negative and the exponent is odd, then we get the answer in negative. When the base is negative but the exponent is even, we get the answer in positive. Clear, students? Then take negative integral exponent of a rational number. Negative integral exponents means exponent is negative. Negative integral exponent of a rational number. Of a rational number. Then suppose a by b is a rational number, a by b to the power minus n. Exponent is in negative. when the exponent is in negative, this means a upon b to the power minus n is equal to b upon a to the power n. Take the reciprocal of the base and make the exponent positives, nothing else. Take an example. Suppose 3 upon 4 to the power minus 5. What is this? This is 4 upon 3 to the power 5. The base, take the reciprocal of the base. 3 upon 4 become 4 upon 3, then the exponents negative become the positives. Because when the exponent is negative, we cannot find out the value. 2 to the power minus 5, we cannot find out the value. Then what can we do? Then what is the base? Base is 2. Then make the base reciprocal of the base. 2 to the power minus 5 means 1 upon 2 to the power 5. At first make the exponent part positives, then can you find out the result. 1 upon 2 to the power 5, this is what? 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2, 5 times, or 1 to the power 5 upon 2 to the power 5, this is 1 upon 32. Understand? Suppose 4 to the power minus 6. Can you find out the result? No, because the exponent is in negative. Then to make the exponent positives, what can I do? Take the reciprocal of the base. What is here base? Here base is 4. The reciprocal of 4 is 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 to the power 6. Then can you find out the value? What is this? This is 1 to the power 6 upon 4 to the power 6. 1 to the power 1, 6, 1, 4 to the power 6. You have to find out 4, 4 ja 16, 16, 4 ja 64, 64 ja 256. Then you have to find out, students, 4 to the power 6. 4 into 4, 16, 16 into 4, 64, 64 into 4, 256. Then let us find out the value, nothing else. Then another law. What is? What may be the base, but when the exponent is 0, a by b to the power 0 is always 1. What may be the base? X to the power 0 is equal to 1. 1000 to the power 0 is equal to 1. What may be the base? This doesn't matter. When the exponent is 0, always we get the answer 1. 5 to the power 0, what? 1. Minus 7 to the power 0, what? 1. This doesn't matter what is the value of the base. When the exponent is 0, means the answer is 0. Take examples. Solve some examples to clear about the exponents. 2 upon 3 to the power minus 3. Here the exponent is in negatives. What can we do? At first make the exponent positive. How can you make the exponents positives? Take the reciprocal of the base, 3 upon 2 to the power 3. Then what is this? This is 3 to the power 3 upon 2 to the power 3. What is 3 to the power 3? 27 upon 8. Okay? Then take another examples. 4 to the power minus 2. Can you find out the value? No, because the exponent is in negative. When the exponent is in negatives, we take the reciprocal of the base. Here what is base? 4. 4 means 4 upon 1. Then what is its reciprocal? 1 upon 4 to the power 2. 1 upon 4 to the power 2 means 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 4. This is 1 upon 16. Then take another example. Suppose 1 upon 6 to the power minus 2. Here also the exponent is in negatives. Can you find out the value? No. Make the base, take the reciprocal of the base. 1 upon 6, reciprocal of 1 upon 6 is 6 upon 1, this to the power 2. This means 6 to the power 2. This is, what is this? This is 36. Take another example. 2 upon 3 to the power 0. What will be its value? What I have told you? Base doesn't matter what is the base. What may be the base. But when the exponent is 0, the value is 1. What may be the base? X to the power 0 is 1. Understand? Note down, students, laws of exponents. Laws of exponents. Laws of exponents. Here a by b is any rational number. What? A by b is any rational number. Any rational number. Then first law. What first law says? Suppose a by b to the power m into a by b to the power n. When the base is same, then during multiplication what we do? Then the exponents are added. This means a by b to the power m plus n. Here m, here n. Here is the multiplication sign, means exponents are added. Look at here. How can it possible? A by b to the power m. What do you mean by this? A upon b into a upon b. How many times? M means m times. Then multiply with a upon b into a upon b into a upon b. How many times? N times. N times. Then look at here. Here m times, here n times. Means a upon b how many times? A upon b upon a upon b how many times? M times plus n times. How many times? M plus n times. This can be written as a upon b to the power m plus n. Clear? Then look at the second law. What is the second law says? When a upon b to the power m divided by a upon b to the power n. Here this is multiplication, here this is division. When there is division sign, then what we do? The exponents subtract a upon b to the power m minus n. Understand? Understand, students? Then note down the third law. What the third law says? Suppose a upon b to the power m whole to the power n. Then what is this? This is a upon b m into n. Here m into n. Suppose an example, 2 to the power q square. What is this? This is exponents m n. Then according to this rule, this is 3 into 2, 2 to the power 6. Then take other examples also for division and multiplication. Suppose 5 upon 3 to the power square into 5 upon 3 to the power 3. What is this? Here this is multiplication sign, base are same. Then what? 5 upon 3 to the power 2 plus 3, this is 5 upon 3 to the power 5. When there is division sign, suppose 7 upon 4 to the power 3 divided 7 upon 4 to the power 2. Then here the base are same, 7 upon 4, the exponents 3, 2. And what sign is this? This is division sign. Recall the rule of division. Then what? The exponents are subtracted. M minus n. 3 minus 2. What is this? This is 7 upon 4 to the power 1 means 7 upon 4. Then what the fourth law says? What the fourth law says? Then what is the fourth law says? Fourth law, A by B into C by D to the power n. Then this can be written as A by B to the power n into C by D to the power n. Okay? Then take an example. Suppose 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 to the power 3. Then what? This is 2 by 3 to the power 3 into 3 by 5 to the power 3 according to the fourth law of exponents. Then what the fifth law says? Suppose A by B upon C by D to the power n. This means A upon B to the power n upon C upon D to the power n. Then suppose A upon B to the power minus n, then this is take the reciprocal of the base, then make the exponents positives. Okay? Then another law, what? A upon B to the power 0 is equal to 1. I have told you before that what may be the base, this doesn't matter. When the exponent is 0, then the value is 1. Then in next class we will discuss more and more examples and solve the problems to clear about all the laws. Okay, students? Today this much. Like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for upcoming videos and press the bell icon to get the notifications of the upcoming videos. Thank you, students.